I'm going to upcycle this old pet carrier to hold the goat's hay. I saw somebody else's YouTube where they had used the pan that you mix cement in, attached it to some wire, and then zip tied it to it and cut a little flap at the top without the door, and only using half the pet carrier. Don't have to cut a flap. When I was raising puppies, they had chewed the little lip that goes around this, and I just took some cutters and cut that area off, and I'm going to zip tie it to their little pins. I'm going to zip tie this right here to the fence, and that way I can put the hay in the top and they can eat it from the other side. So you can see from this side, they can get it through the wire. It'll keep it up off the ground. And it's great for repurposing a pet carrier that I was just going to take to the dump.